Like, the glasses are so clear. I don't know, you guys gotta tell me. So, I'm just gonna draw the thing here first. Okay, so, there, sorry, I had to do that. It was messed up. Anyways, this, I'm not going to say this is just a simple one, so. I'm sorry I'm off on the eye. But I'll fix that in a minute. I'm sorry, I'm gonna check if I have it. No, I do not. In the next video, we're gonna be trying the copy paintings and see if we get them right, but I doubt it, so. I mean, I doubt we're gonna get it right. I know we're gonna do the video, so. Alright, so. Oh, by the way, this picture's based off somewhere I know. So yeah, anyways, let's go back to doing this. I think this eye's gonna look really awkward compared to the other one. Maybe the eyebrows. Oh, sorry guys, no. I'm put slanted, but anyways. Okay, this is terrible. I don't usually do that, but this is terrible. Anyways, I might not do the hair because I'm terrible at hair. As you can see right here, I'm terrible at hair, so. Okay, I was thinking about doing something. Okay, so this one doesn't look as like mean or anything. So I guess we can cover this eye with hair. I just do hair like this, scribble away. I'll pause when I'm done. Oh, sorry. But mine looks weird right now because in this picture, I forgot, like, it's behind the person's head, so I might change up this picture soon. Not that one, this one. Don't forget to do this so it looks like arms and the whole body. And I'm trying to make the shirt darker than the skin. Unless you change the skin color because this would look like, I don't know, it looks weird to me. Alright, so. And you guys, I'm going to put my Instagram on down in the description. So comment, like, and subscribe. I really want subscribers. And please follow me on Instagram. It's the same as my YouTube channel name. So yeah. Anyways, back to the video. I don't really want to talk about the video. I'm so sorry. I just am not focused on this. Anyways. Okay, so sorry I was showing this. Now I'm just gonna look into the phone while I do it. And if you guys actually ask me questions, this time, like on my old YouTube channel, nobody's ever asked me questions or anything in my comments. If you ask me questions in the comments or on Instagram, I'll do a Q&A. And yeah. And I have a person, like, I'm not going to do shadows yet, but when I do, like, that will probably be in our next video. My next video, but it's going to be to one of my friends at school. Because they gave me a lot of ideas and, like, we are in art together and stuff. And yeah, I think it's fun and stuff. Like, he gives me ideas what to do in art. And he kind of gave me this portrait idea. But it's gonna be like, I'm still working on one. When I'm done with it, I'll release it on YouTube and stuff. I don't know right now. This looks like a nerdy schoolgirl. I'm sorry, I'm recording my phone now. This one looks nerdy. And this one looks like different than nerdy. Like, way different. Oh, just looks to the eyebrows. And, this one's hair is really short. Sorry. And if you guys want me to do a scary art film, I'm actually thinking about one. Because I have lots of paint things and like, it's probably gonna be comedy anyway soon. I don't watch a lot of art shows, but yeah. Anyways, I'm going to put my aunt's art on YouTube. She said I could. I'm show you guys it. And then, well, not my next, whenever I do it. And you guys give me an idea for a new show. Since I'm actually not really, I'm really doing art on camera, so you can obviously tell because I'm terrible at it. Alright, so what's happening? Okay, so. Alright guys, I'm going to draw a star behind her, but I'm going to like change all the colors. I'll be right back. Wait, first before I leave, let me set this stuff over here. That's my old school binder. I'm not going to use anymore, but anyways. Yeah, I really like these shoes. I still like them. This is my brothers. I actually didn't pay attention to them. These are my brothers. I don't think it shows in the video. They're blue, so yeah, now it shows, huh? Alright, I'm gonna have my markers in here. Alright, I'll get back when I get one. Sorry, my cameras. I literally just dumped out my old binder. I didn't have it in anything, so I just had to clean that up in a minute. Anyways, so, I picked the blue. Oh god. And maybe I should do a background. I think I should. I'm sorry, I haven't been talking. I'm like, just thinking about things at school. I actually, I missed some of my school today because of an appointment, so I actually missed math, and that's one of my favorite subjects. I feel like a nerd, like, highly right now. I think I am a nerd. I'm turning into a nerd. I used to never wear glasses in my room. All the time.